Hey everybody, this is Brian from Overlanders, and today we're gonna do a quick walk around of the new camper GFC camper interior build. I made this out of 1-inch aluminum with plastic connections, and then parts where we need a little bit more strength and support, I've added some cross supports in there. The floor is a 1/2-inch marine grade wood with the T-track system. So we can still take showers inside the camper. Let's show you around. So we'll start from the back. We have some tie down points on the TMat floor system. All these holes are drilled out through the floor, so all the water will run out. This is a diesel heater in here, probably the last time we'll have to use it, which is cool. Over here we have a little port. This is where our water is coming from. There's an extension in here, a hose that connects, that will run, it runs all the way to our 13-gallon water tank in the back. And we have like shower stuff in here, paper towels, some other things like that. That's a kayak port up there, which has an enclosed bag. We keep all our toilet paper and things that we don't want to get wet or dusty in there. And then we have the Iceco slide on the Iceco fridge, which is really awesome. That's our EcoFlow battery in there. In the cabinet we have little sliding doors. We can pop those off if we need to get to the battery. This slides back. Once that's in there like that, this can be used as a seat. The T-track system in here. We have the little T-track mounts that hold our toilet in place so it doesn't slide around. Let's go over here to the side. So the side we have some cooking supplies here. These are our dry good bags. 2 of these fit in here. We have the Zarges case, and we have a cool little bike mount that locks that in there. If we push down on that latch there, it pops that off. We have the Howl campfire in there, which is awesome. Nice little fire extinguisher. Back in here we have a nice wood cutting board, and then behind that we have the large porthole so we can put the pump down for the showers. We have a filler cap on the other side of that. We're gonna walk around to the other side real quick. The whole goal of this is to keep it lightweight as possible. So we have a nice piece of wood, really thin piece on top here. And then back here we have just some other stuff we can throw in. Put that there. We have a bag in here. This holds our towels and things for showering. And then, yeah, that's about it there. The hot shower, we'll connect that up, and we can either take a shower outside or take a shower inside the camper still. So that's the look at the mounts for the TMat that hold this toilet in place. We have our Black & Decker chainsaw. I just took that down because I was checking that out, but that mounts up there on the top part. So that's a quick walk around. We'll have some other videos of us using this throughout the year. So if you have any questions about this build, you can reach out, and be happy to answer questions. Thanks for watching.